Hey there, science explorers! Today, we're going on a wild ride through your very own digestive system. Ever wondered what happens to that slice of pizza after you take a big, delicious bite? Well, buckle up, because we're about to find out. Your digestive system is like a long, twisty water slide that starts at your mouth and ends, well, you know where. It's the superhero that keeps your body running. Without it, you wouldn't have the energy to play, learn, or do all the fun stuff you love. So, let's dive in and explore this amazing internal factory. Are you ready to become a digestive system expert? Alright, science pals, let's kick off our digestive journey where it all begins, in your mouth. When you take a bite of that yummy pizza, your teeth get to work right away, breaking down that pizza into smaller pieces. But wait, there's more. Your mouth isn't just for chewing, it's also a science lab. As you chew, your salivary glands jump into action, squirting out saliva packed with special chemicals called enzymes. These enzymes start breaking down your food even before you swallow. It's like having tiny chefs in your mouth. Your tongue isn't just for tasting. It's also a super strong muscle that helps mix your food with saliva and pushes it to the back of your mouth when you're ready to swallow. Once you swallow, your food slides down a long tube called the esophagus. This isn't just any old tube. It has special muscles that squeeze and relax in a wave-like motion, pushing your food down to your stomach. It's so good at its job that you could even eat while standing on your head. But please don't try that at home, okay? Welcome to the stomach, the next stop on our digestive adventure. Imagine your stomach as a big, stretchy balloon that can hold about a quart of food. When food arrives, your stomach springs into action like a hyperactive mixing machine. The walls of your stomach are lined with strong muscles that squeeze and churn, turning your food into a mushy soup called chyme. At the same time, your stomach produces a super strong acid. This acid is so powerful it could dissolve a nail. But don't worry, your stomach has a special lining that protects it from this acid. Your stomach makes a new protective lining every 2 weeks. That's because the acid is so strong, it would eventually eat through the lining if it wasn't replaced. Those growling sounds you sometimes hear, that's your stomach working hard. It's not just when you're hungry. Your stomach makes these noises all the time, but they're usually muffled by the food in your belly. So, next time your tummy rumbles in class, just tell everyone it's your stomach saying hello. Alright, science explorers, we've reached the small intestine, but don't let the name fool you. This organ might be called small, but it's actually super long. If you stretched it out, it would be about 20 feet long. That's taller than a giraffe. The small intestine is where most of the digestion happens. It gets mixed with juices from the liver and pancreas. The walls are covered in tiny, finger-like projections called villi. They're like millions of tiny hands, grabbing nutrients from your food. These nutrients then pass into your bloodstream. The small intestine does a special dance called peristalsis, which helps push food along. So next time you hear your tummy making funny noises, remember, it's just doing its happy dance. We've made it to the final stretch of our digestive journey, the large intestine. Also known as the colon, this organ is like a water recycling plant for your body. Its job is to soak up any leftover water and turn what's left into, well, you know what? The large intestine is home to trillions of tiny bacteria. Don't worry, these are good bacteria. They're like little helpers that break down any last bits of food. They also make some important vitamins. It can take 12 to 70 hours for food to pass through completely. Whatever is left becomes waste that your body doesn't need. And there you have it. From mouth to toilet, that's the incredible journey your food takes through your body.